all doing fantastic. If you are new to my channel, hello, welcome, my name is Julia. I do makeup and beauty videos and I also do reviews and unboxing. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you are doing, so please subscribe and also like this video. For today we have another unboxing video, and this is for the Lookfantastic monthly subscription box. If you don't know anything about the Lookfantastic Beauty box and you didn't watch my previous videos, this is a monthly subscription which delivers you 6 beauty items, and it will cost you £15 per month, including shipping, and it's free. Shipping is free anywhere in the world. If you subscribe for a longer period, for example 3, 6 or 12 months, then the price for the monthly subscription is slightly decreasing. So currently I'm running a 12-month subscription and I pay for my box £13 per month, including shipping. The total value of the box is over £45. However, we don't have here in the booklet the price for the products we are getting. So maybe this is a project they should work in the future. So it looks like this, and it's upside down. We have the booklet. November. This month we embrace the darker nights, the glitz of bonfire night and the crisp colors of autumn with our Dark Wonder edition. Indulge in 6 magical makeup and skincare products from high-end brands that will leave you dazzling in the moonlight. In this magazine we explore the best tips and tricks for the colder season, such as the best spicy fragrances, a tutorial to the best party look using products from this month's box, and much more. So get ready to party! Yay! We do also have the next month sneak peek. So this is the Christmas. Next month it will be the Christmas edition, which it makes sense, of course. Celebrate the magic of Christmas and unwrap our December edition to reveal 6 great products that will leave you feeling festive. Your exclusive sneak peek for December, it's a full-size Dr. Botanicals Pomegranate Superfood Brightening Eye Serum worth £19. So this is not even a long title, yeah, of course. We are getting the Elf magazine, which I really enjoy and I read it every month. I do also have a collection to show that I didn't open it. Let's do it right now. Let's break the seal! Woo, this is the most exciting moment. Wow, look at here, guys. I'm hoping that I will not... Laura Geller. Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in Gilded Honey. Oh my god, I cannot believe this! It was one of the most hyped products on the beauty community. It's one of their staples, and for sure it is really nice. Okay, I don't know if you're able to see, and excuse my dirty hand. I filmed previously another unboxing videos. So this is Laura Geller Gilded Honey. Next we have here, it's Ren Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. So this is the product, and we do have here 15 milliliters. Our skin is regularly exposed to environmental pollutants. Soothes and protects your skin with this gorgeous cream that trains your skin to be less sensitive whilst fighting against damage caused by free radicals and environmental aggressor. How to use it? After cleansing, gently massage a small amount of day cream into your face and neck until absorbed. If you suffer with sensitive, dry and inflamed rashy skin during and after pregnancy, this will really work to soothe any issues. Oh, so why I didn't get this cream last year? Bubble tea. So this is Lookfantastic Dark Wonder Bath Bomb. Okay. I think we've got, this is the third bath bomb that I've got since I'm subscribed to Lookfantastic, and it really smells like a dream. And also what is nice, you can cut this if you don't use all, if you want to use it in more, you can use it, and then you will reseal, because this is like a zipper. And it will keep the fragrance until your next bath, because this is a really good size. You only need maybe a quarter or half of it for one single bath. So this is fantastic. I don't know why, but I'm overusing the word fantastic, and I really like to say it. Our limited edition bubble tea bath bomb is back. This luxury bath bomb is infused with acai berry and hibiscus, filling your bath with color and a fragrance to stimulate the senses. Get ready to feel rejuvenated and refreshed with the added bonus of super soft, hydrated skin. Remove all packaging and drop bath bomb under warm running water. Allow short time to dissolve, lightly fragrance and soften the water. When set in the bath, rub water along your skin to ensure you are getting all the benefits of this amazing bath bomb. So it's not only a nice fragrance, but it will also soften your skin. Great! Mellow Precision Pen Eyeliner. So I suppose it's this one. I believe this was featured on the October Beautybox for the sneak peek of this month. This is a full-size item, and I believe this is also a full-size item. And there is a felt tip. I'm not so fan of the felt tip eyeliner. I prefer mostly the brush version, but this looks like soft, is not hard, you know what I mean, so you will be able to control your wing. So yeah, I'm happy for this item, so I will definitely use it, or if not, I will give it to a friend who will really enjoy it. Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel, 15 milliliters. This gentle exfoliator will make your complexion appear smoother and brighter by dissolving dead skin cells without rubbing, making it perfect for delicate skin. It also gives antioxidant and free radical protection. Your skin will be treated with the sweet seaweed actives and vitamin E, leaving you with a smooth, moisturized and remineralized skin. Apply it to your cleansed skin, avoiding the delicate area. Leave for 15-20 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. So this it's like a mask. It's not a cleanser. You should use it like a mask. I will open it, but I'm sure that so it's sealed. It looks like a balm. You see that? Okay, so now I will exfoliate my hand for 15-20 minutes. So the smell is really nice. Apply it to your clean skin, avoiding the delicate area. Leave for 15-20 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water to reveal a brighter complexion. Only use 1 or 2 times a week for a correct exfoliation, so don't overuse it, guys. Last product, Contour Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick. Ooh! Wow! Look at this, guys! This is my kind of color. Ooh! Look at this! This is a nude color. Ooh! It's so nice. I'm wearing right now a long-lasting lipstick, so I'm not sure if I will be able to remove it, but wait. So this is how it looks like. This matte, kiss-proof liquid lipstick is designed to last all day long. The pretty nude pink shade is perfect for an everyday look with a soft finish that doesn't dry out the lips. We'll see that. Encased in luxury rose gold packaging, this highly pigmented liquid lipstick is a must-have in your makeup bag. So, it looks like this. I think it's dry now. Yeah, it's really comfortable. I don't feel like I have something on my lips. It's not drying out, so it's yay for this one. We have 3 full-size products: the liquid lipstick, the eyeliner, the mellow eyeliner, and this was from Contour Cosmetics, and the bubble tea bubble bath, and 3 deluxe samples. We have the day cream, the enzyme exfoliator, and Laura Geller illuminator. So I think this is more than excellent and fantastic value for this month, guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you, bye bye!